Hey, this is David. Today I'm going to show you how to test and replace the heating element in an electric Kenmore dryer. A dryer's heating element generates heat to dry clothes by passing an electrical current through metal coils to create warm air. Then the air is circulated through the dryer drum by a blower. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss our latest repair guides. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a 1/4-inch socket, a putty knife, and a multimeter. And please remember to keep safety first. Always unplug your dryer or flip the circuit breaker off before doing any repairs. We need to use a putty knife and push in on the 2 clips that hold the front panel in place, then we can remove it. You also need to remove one of the 2 wires from the heating element. Now set your meter to resistance mode. Use the meter probes to check across the 2 terminals. You should see about 10 to 12 ohms. Your resistance may vary based on the wattage of the heater. If the resistance is way off or shows an open circuit, then you'll need to replace the element. If you found out that your element is faulty, let's replace it together. First, we need to remove both wires from the element. Next, find the single 1/4-inch screw on the side of the element box just in front of the terminals. You'll need to use the 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to remove it. There's another 1/4-inch screw in the front of the heater box which holds the shield in place, and you'll need to remove this one too. Now pull the heater all the way out. Here's the old heating element and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Just slide the new element in with the 2 terminals on the left side and push it in until it stops. Then put the shield back into place and secure it with a 1/4-inch screw. Now add the other screw that came out of the side. Then replace the 2 wires and the bottom panel. Don't forget to plug the dryer back in or flip that circuit breaker back on. You made it. Great job. And thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you haven't gotten a new heating element yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. Hang on now before you leave. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos and, of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.